Welcome back. When Pat and I were doing our banjo collab a while back, we got these little amps. They're called trash amps, and we were going to do it as part of the video, but we just didn't have time, so I finally got mine done. I did this one out of bird's eye maple and walnut. Let's go ahead and get started. The wood chop is sponsored by This is the face where the speaker and amp's going to go. I'm just truing it up, and then I'm going to mount it back on the lathe using double-sided tape. I'm going to take a couple of jaws out of my chuck because I want to do a little bit of off-center turning where the speaker is going to go, so it sits a little bit above the amp. I kicked it off center just a little bit to make kind of a tail. I was going to make it a lot thinner, but I really like the coloring in the wood, so I just brought it down a little bit. So the little amp goes on there. Got my speaker in there. Here's the battery pack. Just plug that in. Just charges up with the USB. Pop that right in there. Like that. Cord goes here. You can use this with your phone or a guitar, like amp for guitar. Oh, here. Here's what it sounds like with just my phone. And here's what it sounds like with the speaker. And this little jack here, you can hook up more speakers to it. That's an output there, so you can hook up some more. And if you go all the way down, it comes with an adapter for to plug into your guitar. Very cool. And I just I made this to go in there like that, but it sits up too high. But you can set it down like that too and let it go. All right. There we go. I hope you enjoyed the video. The base is 18 inches long and it's about 8 inches tall. And again, it's out of walnut and bird's eye maple. And the finish I used was a mixture of beeswax and mineral oil. A couple little things. I wouldn't go with the wooden faceplate again. It's so hard to get it thin enough to get the little nuts on the amp there. I was about to bust through. That's why I put that little piece of veneer walnut over it. So I would go with a thin piece of metal. That would probably make it much easier. But oh, the amps, they do come in, it just comes with the board and all the pieces and you have to solder it together. But Chris Pine did a great video on it a while back and I'll put a link down below in the description to that where he shows you how to solder it all together. Oh, the double-sided tape. So it works great for small stuff like this. People make pendants and stuff using it all the time. It's a great easy way to do little off-center turning too. If you're going to do something big like this where it's thin, I would go around the tape a couple of times when you peel it up so you don't crack it. It really stuck on there, so just be careful about that. Other than that, Pat, I have mine done. It's your turn. All right, if this is your first time here, I have a new project video every Friday. I hope to see you there. And if you haven't done so yet, please subscribe. Till next time, take care.